Hello, teacher.
Hello, Lynn. Good evening. Lynn, can you hear teacher?
Yes,
Yeah, okay, that's good to hear. How are you today?
I'm good.
You're good. Did you go to school today?
Yes,
Yeah, and how was the school?
mm,
How is it?
it's good.
Okay, the school was good. Okay, so Lynn, yesterday what we had was we did unit 14, our homes. Now this time, Lynn, I will share to you the screen, unit 15 for this evening. Okay, so let me share to you the screen, Lynn, so we can start immediately with our activity. We had here Fun for Movers, unit 15, and it is about at our school. So here, Lynn, please read what are the given words in here. We have
Broad,
board, next,
map,
map, and
ruler,
rubber. Okay, we have here the board, the map, and the rubber. Do you understand these words?
yes,
Okay, good. And how about this other words, Lynn? What are these words? We have
Paris,
page, next,
tick,
tick, next.
point,
Okay, point. So we have page, tick, point. You understand this?
yes,
Okay, good. Next, Lynn, how about these words?
bottom,
Okay, button. Next. What else?
river,
Okay, river and
road,
okay, road. You know these words?
yes,
Okay, good. Next one, we have the following. What are these words? We have,
mistakes,
okay. Now we have here mistake. Next.
different,
Okay, different. Next. And
correct,
correct. You know these words?
yes,
Okay, good. All right, so here, Lynn, we have here what we call the past simple tense. If we say past simple tense, we changes the given verb or the action words into its past form, meaning it's done already. So we don't use is and are, we use was, were, and also, Lynn, we change the given verb. So here, for example, Lynn, we have here the word visit. What will happen to visit? Visit will become
visit,
visited again.
visitor,
Next, love,
lover,
loved again.
loved,
Next, how about if the word ends with a vowel and Y, just like for example, enjoy. O is a vowel and then it is ended with Y. What will you do?
joy,
Okay, enjoyed. You add, what do we add? Okay, we add ED. Can you see the ED?
yes,
Yeah, next. How about look at here, Lynn. What if the word ended with Y and then it's with consonant? Consonant plus a Y. We get the Y and change it to IED. Okay. Look at here, Lynn. But if it ended with one syllable verb plus a vowel and a consonant, one syllable, stop. What will you do, Lynn? You double the consonant and add ed. Okay? But if it's two syllables, commit. Two syllables of commit. Okay, two syllables. what will we do? We double the given consonant and add ed. Okay? Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay, now here, let's move this. Okay, Lynn, I want you to write the past form of the given verbs here. Go.
The song is
How about the answered, Lynn? Answer. The one below dance.
Lucas. Love. Lucas.
Loved.
Loved. Light. Fire. Check. Checkers.
Talk. Talked.
Dance.
Again.
Talk.
Next.
Talk.
Next.
Dance. Dancer.
Danced.
Dance. Dancer.
Not danced.
Answer.
Pronounce it as letter T. Danced.
Dance.
Next. Answer.
Answer.
Next.
Answer.
Go.
Went. Yes. Got. She. Shall. Runs. Rest. Treat. Try. This. And.
Okay, let's check your answer. So here are the following answers, Lynn. So first is look, looked, love, loved. Correct. Like, liked, talk, talked, dance, danced, answer, answered. Correct. Go, went, get, got, see, saw, run, run, drink, drank, and eat, ate. Okay, look at that. Lynn, the run, R-A-N, is a past participle. We are only talking about past tense. Okay, careful. Now here, Lynn, I want you to read and understand sentence 1 to 5 and write the word being described. Go.
Teacher Venus.
Okay, please read Lynn 1 to 5.
This day on the classroom was and the teacher was on it about. These are in books and offense her number on this as the bottom. Hey, when you mistake with your pencil, you need this a ruler. Some teachers this as the answer of the correct answer in test. Check. We look at this of five rows and river and Charles maps.
Okay, Lynn, let's check this now. Okay, number 1. This is on the classroom wall and the teacher writes on it. The answer here is a board, correct. 2. These are in books and often have numbers in them at the bottom. Pages is correct. 3. When you make a mistake with your pencil, you need this. A rubber is correct. 4. Some teachers put this at the end of correct answers in test. Text is correct. 5. We look at this to find roads and rivers and towns. The answer here is maps. Very good. Perfectly answered. Very good, Lynn. You got it all perfectly. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, Lynn. Wait. Oh, Lynn, for you to have more time in here, you enter again to the Zoom class link so you can answer this one. Okay? Enter again.